Hello dear students, welcome to the lecture on calculus and linear algebra. So in this tutorial class, I am going to discuss about how to find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors by using power method and also how to form the diagonal matrix. Problem number 1, find the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix A by using the power method by taking the initial vector as 1 1 1 transpose. The matrix is A is equal to 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2. So they have given initially x naught is given by 1 1 1 transpose. So I am going to perform the iterations to find the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector. First iteration Ax naught. I am going to multiply the A matrix with x naught matrix. So what I will be getting 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 1 2 can be multiplied with column matrix 1 1 1. So after multiplication I will be getting 1 0 1. So in this one I should take the numerically large value as a common factor. So I will be taking 1 as a common factor here. So 1 into 1 0 1 I got it. I will be calling this one as lambda 1 x1. Iteration number 2 by multiplying the matrix A with the x1 matrix. So after multiplying the A matrix with the x1 matrix, that is 1 0 1, I'll be getting 2 minus 2 2. So taking the numerically largest value as a common factor, that is 2, I'm taking outside, I'll be getting 1 minus 1 1. So therefore lambda 2 into x2 I got it. So lambda 2 is 2 and x2 is 1 minus 1 1. Third iteration, multiplying the A matrix with x2 matrix, that is Ax2. So I'm going to multiply A with column matrix 1 minus 1 1. So after multiplying row with columns, I'll be getting 3 minus 4 3. So here also same thing only. I'm going to take the numerically large value as a common factor. So here the 4 is a numerically largest value. So I'm taking 4 outside. I'll be getting 4 into 0.75 minus 1 0.75. So I'll be calling this one as lambda 3 x3. This is fourth iteration Ax3, multiplying the A matrix with the column matrix x3, that is A into 0.75 minus 1 0.75. After multiplying row with columns, I'll be getting 2.5 minus 3.5 2.5. So here the 3.5 is the numerically largest value. So I'll be taking 3.5 as a common factor. I'll be getting 0.71 minus 1 0.71. So I'll be calling this one as lambda 4 as well as x4. Iteration number 5, finding Ax4. Multiplying the A matrix with the column matrix x4, that is 0.71 minus 1 0.71. By multiplying row with columns, I'll be getting 2.42 minus 3.42 2.42. So 3.42 is the numerically largest value here. So taking common factor, I'll be getting 3.42 into 0.708 minus 1 0.708. I'll be calling this one as lambda 5 x5. Iteration number 6, multiplying A with x power 5. So multiplying the A matrix with the column matrix 0.708 minus 1 0.708. So I'll be getting 2.416 minus 3.416 2.416. So 3.416 is the numerically largest value. So taking common factor, I'll be getting 3.416 into 0.7073 minus 1 0.7073. So I'll be getting lambda 6 x6. So iteration number 7, Ax6, multiplying A with x power 6, I'll be getting what? 2. This A matrix I'm going to multiply with the column matrix 0.7073 minus 1 0.7073. I'll be getting 2.4146 minus 3.4146 2.4146. Taking the numerically largest value 3.4146 common factor, I'll be getting 0.7071 minus 1 0.7071. So we can see here by comparing these two matrices, it is approximately same up to 3 decimal places. So I'm going to start the iteration here only. So I can conclude that the largest eigenvalue is 3.4146 and the corresponding eigenvector is 0.7071 minus 1 0.7071 transpose. So next is I'm going to find the diagonal form of the given square matrix. So diagonal is the matrix minus 19 7 minus 42 16. The matrix is given like A is equal to minus 19 7 minus 42 16. The first thing is what we have to find the eigenvalues. So to find the eigenvalues, make the characteristic equation determinant A minus lambda I. So first I'm going to make A minus lambda I. So A minus lambda I is nothing but A is a given square matrix. I is an identity matrix. So since here A is a 2 cross 2 matrix, I'll be taking I also 2 cross 2 matrix only, like this. So this is my A matrix, minus 19, 7, minus 42 and 16, minus lambda into 1 0 0 1. So I'm going to simplify this matrix to get an A minus lambda I matrix. So what I will get? Minus 19 minus lambda minus 42. So I'll be getting what? Minus 19 minus lambda 7 minus 42 16 minus lambda I will be getting, right? So now I'm going to apply the determinant for A minus lambda I to make a characteristic equation. So after that I'll be getting determinant of minus 19 minus lambda 7 minus 42 16 minus lambda will be equal to 0. Expanding this determinant, the equation will be of the form lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 304 plus 294 is equal to 0 I'll be getting. So I'll be getting lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 10 is equal to 0. So by simplifying this, I'll be getting lambda minus 2, lambda plus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore the values of lambda is 2 minus 5 are the eigenvalues of E. So I'll be treating lambda 1 is equal to 2 here, lambda 2 is equal to minus 5. So once we got the eigenvalues, so the next thing is we have to find the eigenvectors. So to find the eigenvectors, so take the equation of the form A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. So I'm going to simplify this further. I'll be getting what? Minus 19 minus lambda 7 minus 42 16 minus lambda x y 0 0. So expanding this coefficient matrix, I'll be getting what? Minus 19 minus lambda x plus 7y is equal to 0 minus 42x plus 16 minus lambda into y is equal to 0. So now I want to find the eigenvectors. So I'm going to fall into two cases here. So since I'm having two eigenvalues here, so I'll be having two cases. The first case is, let me take lambda is equal to 2. So in this equation, I'm going to replace lambda is equal to 2. So after replacing lambda is equal to 2, I'll be getting what? Minus 21x plus 7y is equal to 0. Minus 42x plus 14y is equal to 0. So after simplifying this equation, these two equations, I'll be getting y is equal to 3x or y by 3 is equal to x by 1. So the first eigenvector is 1 comma 3 transpose is the corresponding eigenvector is the eigenvector of the corresponding eigenvalue lambda is equal to 2. So case 2. So case 2 is when lambda is equal to minus 5. So I'm going to replace this lambda is equal to minus 5 in the system of equation. So after replacing lambda is equal to minus 5, I'll be getting minus 14x plus 7y is equal to 0, minus 42x plus 21y is equal to 0. Same thing again. After simplifying this further, I'll be getting y is equal to 2x or y by 2 is equal to x by 1. So now from this equation, I can make the next eigenvector. That is, x2 is equal to 1 comma 2 transpose is the eigenvector corresponding to the lambda is equal to minus 5. So once we got the eigenvectors, we have to frame the model matrix. So the model matrix is given by P is equal to x1, x2. We have to enter both the eigenvectors in the column wise. So I'll be getting 1, 3, 1, 2 is the eigen model matrix here. So once after finding model matrix, we have to find the P inverse. The formula for P inverse is equal to 1 by determinant P into adjoint P. So first let me find the determinant P value. So it is given by, like 1, 3, 1, 2. Expanding this, I'll be getting what? 2 minus 3. Answer will be equal to minus 1. So the value of the determinant P will be equal to minus 1. So next I'm going to find the adjoint P. So adjoint P will be what? I'm going to interchange the values. Just interchanging this 1 and 2 and changing the sign of 3 and 1. So what I will get? After simplifying this, I'll be getting P inverse is equal to minus of 2, 1, minus 3, minus 1 or minus 2, comma 1, 3, comma minus 1 I'll be getting. So now the final thing is I want to estimate a diagonal matrix. So formula is given by what? D is equal to P inverse AP. Just you multiply P inverse matrix with A matrix as well as P matrix individually. So after simplifying this, I'll be getting P inverse AP is equal to 2, 0, 0 minus 5. We can observe that here. So this contains only diagonal entries, so it is a diagonal form, and this 2 and minus 5 is nothing but the eigenvalues of the given matrix, that is lambda 1 and lambda 2. So hence I got P inverse AP is equal to diagonal of 2 comma minus 1. Thank you.